So today I'm going to replace the filter in my Frigidaire. As you can see, I mark it from the last time it's been replaced, which has been April of 2024. Normally you simply press this in and it unlocks. But no matter how much pressure I give it, it doesn't want to unlock. So I'm going to show you how to free this up so you're able to replace it. So this is what I'm going to be replacing it with. I've already marked the date on it, February 2025. So here's the problem. Simply by pushing this in, it should unlock. But there's no way. It might be frozen. Okay. So as long as these parts are warm, they are pliable and you can bend them. But if they're cold, they will crack. They're fragile. So I'm going to take this off as well. Just one screw here. Let's see what it does. Okay, so there it is there. Let's take a close look at that. I'm going to heat up right back here. It should be pushing in and then out. It doesn't want to do that. So okay, done. There it is. So that's it right there. Okay, move this in. Okay. So, open that up. Most likely, these two areas right here, let me grab the screwdriver to show you where it is. These two right here, this one and this one. That's what pushes in and then locks and then pushes in and unlocks. Those are probably frozen. It took quite a bit of heat. Oh yeah, see, I can move them. It's actually moving in and out. I can feel it. I can feel it now springing back and forth. These may have been frozen. Okay, this is going to be difficult. So I'm going to do this. Slide this on. Oops, easy. I can't find the screw. It's in here somewhere, but I don't need it at this point just to kind of put things back together. So I'm going to do that now while it's still nice and warm. This is going to go in, straight in, and it should just, there it is. It's locked in. I'll put that screw back on, and then this cover just slides back on. Again, when things are warm, everything is meant to be pliable. But when they're cold, it will crack. So just be careful of that. So that's now in. I'm going to locate that screw and then run some water through the filter until it's nice and clear. This is what happens with a new filter. That's exactly normal. It's going to hit some water, some air pockets like that. I was surprised it worked so well at the very beginning. It's going to hit some more air pockets until there's water inside that filter. See the color of it? You got to keep doing that. Probably about 20 glasses or so until it runs clear. See, the old filter, look at it. See, the old filter had better pressure. It just seemed to have better water pressure, and that's why I didn't change it in so long, but I should change it once every 6 months. There, now it's running a bit more normal. So this is after about 20 or to 25 glasses. This is what it should look like. Nice and clear, and the pressure looks to be okay. All right, so that's it. That's one more thing off my never-ending list.